Hi, my name is Diana Casillas. I am a front desk administrative assistant here at ACCU. I am going to show you how to access the documents for your association. So once you log on, you will see your dashboard. In your dashboard, you're going to see a couple items. Go to your documents section. Once you're in their documents section, you will find all the documents related to your community. Items homeowners usually want to find are basically you want to know the rules for your community. You would go into your governing documents, and here you would find either your declarations or your community's rules and regulations. Go through the documents section, and usually your community would have a title sheet or an area where you could see all the documents associated with this document, and you could find the page number or the location of where this item is. To submit an architectural request, normally you would find the architectural forms. If your community has a clubhouse, you would find a form here to fill out and submit to us. Insurance documents. Here is all the insurance documents that you may need for your community. Maybe you're not finding the document you need in the portal. If you're not, you could always reach us at our support email, which is support@accuinc.com, or you could give us a call and we'll be happy to help.